One of the biggest mistakes many women make is believing that constant availability creates deeper love. The truth is that when someone has unlimited access to you, they can begin to take your presence for granted. A man values what he fears losing. If you're always answering immediately, always adjusting your schedule, and always putting his needs before your own, you're teaching him that you'll be there no matter what he does. One of the biggest mistakes many women make is believing that being constantly available will bring a man closer. They think that replying instantly, always saying yes, and making him the center of their world will prove their love and commitment. While kindness and attention are important in any relationship, there is a difference between being caring and losing yourself in the process. When a man realizes that no matter what happens, you'll always be there waiting, he may begin to take your presence for granted. Human nature often values things that require effort, appreciation, and respect. When you make yourself available every minute of every day, you unintentionally remove the mystery and excitement that naturally exist in healthy relationships. A man doesn't have the opportunity to wonder what you're doing, what you're thinking, or how important he truly is in your life. Everything becomes predictable. Over time, predictability can lead to comfort, but it can also lead to complacency if there are no personal boundaries in place. Creating distance means reclaiming your time, your energy, and your focus. It means investing in your own goals, friendships, family, career, and personal development. Instead of waiting for his messages, you become busy creating a life that excites and fulfills you. Instead of rearranging your schedule to fit around his plans, you learn to honor your own commitments and priorities. When a man sees that your life is full and meaningful, he begins to view you differently. He notices that your happiness doesn't depend entirely on his attention. He recognizes that being part of your life is something valuable, not something guaranteed. Your confidence becomes attractive because it shows emotional strength and self-respect. The less you chase validation, the more naturally your worth becomes visible. A woman who values her own time teaches others to value it as well, and that quiet confidence often leaves a much deeper impression than constant availability ever could. One of the most powerful things distance does is give someone the opportunity to truly feel your non-absence. When you're constantly present in a man's life, he can become accustomed to your attention, your support, your messages, and the comfort you provide. These things may seem ordinary to him because they are always available. People often fail to recognize the value of something until it is no longer right in front of them. This is why creating space can be such a powerful shift in a relationship. Many women try to strengthen a connection by giving more when they feel a man pulling away. They text more often, check in more frequently, and work harder to maintain the relationship. While these actions may come from a genuine place, they can sometimes prevent him from experiencing what life feels like without your constant presence. If you're always filling every silence, he never gets the chance to notice the emptiness that exists when you're not there. Distance creates room for reflection. It allows him to think about the role you play in his life without being reminded every moment. He begins to notice the conversations he looked forward to, the encouragement you provided during difficult times, and the positive energy you brought into his daily routine. The things he once overlooked become much more visible when they are no longer consistently available. This doesn't mean disappearing to manipulate someone or playing emotional games. Healthy distance is about stepping back and allowing reality to speak for itself. If your presence has genuinely added value to his life, he will begin to recognize it naturally. He will have the opportunity to appreciate what you've contributed without being persuaded or convinced. When a man has the chance to miss you, he often gains a deeper understanding of your importance. He starts to realize that your attention, care, and support are not ordinary things that should be expected without effort. The space you create allows appreciation to grow, and appreciation is often the foundation upon which deeper commitment begins to develop. Build a life that inspires respect. Feels great to be on track with my career goals. https://images. OpenAI, Comstack RSC-4-MW/KXXK0ENJ8SVQ-FNG-STW-9FBFIQ0409ERZA CSAR WCHYNCI-EWCPX-4XMWEUZN0TXF 1J6MP-on-63D-ZSBIM MLJ.JHOZLCG3KMBV VLO W9JEBCCX6CBNMOOJMMYOQBTS8 NXHJ-VTEMLJ IPTR9BQPLE79HVTF9s-UEE40FOHJEHWPYGF JNYLVQLB9WWBG8. Purpose equals full size. A man may be attracted to beauty, chemistry, or excitement, but when he begins thinking about long-term commitment, he looks for much more than attraction. He pays attention to character, stability, ambition, emotional maturity, and the way a woman carries herself through life. This is why creating distance can become an opportunity for personal growth rather than simply a relationship strategy. Instead of spending all your energy trying to secure his attention, invest that energy in building a life that makes you proud. Focus on your career, education, health, finances, hobbies, and personal development. Develop routines that strengthen your confidence and independence. The goal is not to impress him. The goal is to become a stronger, more fulfilled version of yourself. What shifts when you focus on growth? Confidence. You stop seeking constant reassurance and begin trusting your own value. Self-respect. You become less willing to accept inconsistency, disrespect, or half-hearted effort. Purpose. Your life gains direction beyond the relationship, making you more emotionally balanced. Stability. You show that you can stand on your own, which often increases trust and admiration. The dynamic. Growth skills, health, mindset, confidence, self-trust and calm, self-respect, clear standards, respecting how others see you. When a man sees a woman who is continuously improving herself and creating a meaningful life, he often begins to view her differently. She no longer appears as someone waiting to be chosen. She appears as someone who has choices, standards, and a future of her own. That creates a different level of respect. Respect is one of the strongest foundations for commitment. Attraction may spark interest, but respect sustains long-term relationships. A woman who is growing, learning, and building a life she loves naturally becomes more fun and compelling because her identity does not depend solely on the relationship. That independence often makes a man think more seriously about her role in his future. The distance you create is not empty space. It is space filled with purpose, progress, and self-development. And when that happens, your value becomes much easier to see. One of the strongest qualities a woman can develop is the ability to feel secure within herself without constantly needing reassurance from someone else. Many relationships become emotionally exhausting when one person is always searching for proof that they are loved, valued, or important. They analyze every text message, worry about every delayed response, and depend on constant attention to feel confident about the relationship. Over time, this can create pressure that weakens the connection instead of strengthening it. When you continuously seek validation, you unknowingly place your self-worth in another person's hands. Your mood begins to depend on how often he calls, how quickly he replies, or how much attention he gives you. This gives him control over emotions that should come from your own confidence and self-respect. The problem is that no amount of external reassurance can permanently fix internal insecurity. Even if he gives you attention today, you'll likely need more tomorrow if your confidence isn't built from within. Creating distance gives you the opportunity to reconnect with yourself. Instead of focusing on whether he is validating you, you begin focusing on validating yourself. You recognize your strengths, appreciate your achievements, and develop confidence based on who you are rather than how someone else feels about you. This shift is powerful because it changes the entire energy of the relationship. A confident woman doesn't constantly ask where she stands because she already understands her value. She doesn't chase approval because she knows her worth isn't determined by another person's opinion. She enjoys love and attention when it's given, but she doesn't depend on it for her happiness. That emotional stability is incredibly attractive because it demonstrates maturity, strength, and self-awareness. When a man sees that your confidence remains steady regardless of his actions, he begins to respect you on a deeper level. He notices that you were not trying to convince him of your value because you already believe in it yourself. The less you rely on validation from others, the more powerful your presence becomes. True confidence is quiet, consistent, and rooted in self-respect. And that kind of confidence often leaves a lasting impression that words alone never could. Healthy relationships are built when both people contribute emotionally, mentally, and physically to the connection. One of the biggest mistakes many women make is taking on the entire responsibility of keeping the relationship alive. They are always the first to text, the first to call, the first to make plans, and the first to solve every problem. While this may seem loving and supportive, it can create an unhealthy dynamic where one person does all the investing while the other simply receives the benefits. The reality is that people tend to value what they invest in. When a man is never given the opportunity to contribute, pursue, or put effort into the relationship, he may never develop the same level of emotional attachment that comes from personal investment. If you're constantly doing all the work, you're not giving him a chance to demonstrate his interest, commitment, or intentions. Over time, this imbalance can leave you feeling exhausted while he becomes comfortable with the effort you're providing. Creating distance allows the relationship to become more balanced. Instead of always initiating contact, you give him the space to reach out. Instead of constantly making plans, you allow him the opportunity to show initiative. This isn't about manipulation or testing someone. It's about allowing natural effort to reveal itself. A relationship should never feel like a one-person job. When a man begins investing his own time, energy, emotions, and attention, something important happens. He becomes more connected to the relationship because he has contributed to building it. Every phone call he initiates, every effort he makes, and every step he takes toward you increases his emotional involvement. The relationship becomes something he is actively creating rather than something he is simply enjoying. This process also helps you gain clarity. When you stop carrying the entire connection, you can see whether his actions match his words. Genuine interest naturally leads to effort. A man who sees a future with you will usually find ways to stay connected and involved. By allowing him room to invest, you create a healthier dynamic where both people contribute equally, and that mutual investment often becomes the foundation for deeper commitment and long-term partnership. The ultimate goal is not to make a man chase you, beg for your attention, or fear losing you through manipulation. The real goal is to become a woman whose value is so clear that her absence is impossible to ignore. When you focus on your growth, protect your peace, maintain your standards, and build a fulfilling life, you naturally become someone who stands out. Your confidence is no longer based on who chooses you. It comes from knowing exactly who you are and what you bring to the table. Many women believe they must work harder to earn commitment. They think that giving more, sacrificing more, and proving themselves repeatedly will make a man see them as wife material. In reality, long-term commitment is often inspired by the qualities that create respect, trust, and admiration. A man begins thinking seriously about a future with a woman when he sees consistency, emotional maturity, self-respect, and strength of character. These qualities cannot be faked, and they cannot be forced. They are developed through personal growth and experience. When you become emotionally balanced, you stop reacting to every small change in his behavior. You stop allowing fear to control your decisions. You no longer feel the need to chase, convince, or compete for someone's attention. Instead, you focus on becoming the best version of yourself. This creates a powerful shift because your energy changes from seeking approval to living with purpose. A woman who values herself sends a message without saying a word. She shows that her time matters, her standards matter, and her future matters. But she is kind but not desperate, loving but not dependent, supportive but not willing to lose herself for the sake of a relationship. These qualities often make a man pause and recognize what he could lose if he fails to appreciate her. The strongest attraction comes from authenticity. When a man sees a woman who is genuinely happy, confident, and fulfilled, he often begins to imagine what life would look like with her by his side. He sees someone who can contribute to a partnership rather than someone who needs constant validation. That is when the conversation shifts from temporary attraction to long-term commitment. The woman who becomes impossible to replace is usually the woman who first learned how to value herself.